In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho CRM and Outlook. The goal of this tutorial is to show you how to bring Zoho CRM functionality into your Outlook workflow. You will start by opening Outlook. Then you will install the Zoho CRM add-in. And finally, you will connect your Zoho CRM account so the feature works correctly. First, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure Outlook is fully loaded before you continue, because the menus you need will only appear once the application is ready. If Outlook is already open, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the main interface with your mail list. Next, open any email. This step matters because the Apps menu is typically available from within the email experience. You do not need to choose a specific type of message. Any email will work as long as you can see the email window on your screen. Now that you have an email open, click Apps. This is where Outlook shows third-party tools and add-ins that you can use alongside your email. After you click Apps, you should see an area where additional applications can be managed. The interface may look slightly different depending on your Outlook version, but the option you are looking for is the one that lets you get add-ins. Mitalit blit depenjudent. After you click Apps, select Get Add-ins. This will take you to the add-in store or the catalog area for available add-ins. Take a moment to wait for the list or search field to appear, because the next step depends on searching the available add-ins. Next, search for Zoho CRM. In the search box, type Zoho CRM, and then look for the correct result in the list. When you see the Zoho CRM add-in appear, confirm it matches what you expect. This helps ensure you are installing the right integration. Once you find Zoho CRM in the search results, click Add. This will begin the installation process for the add-in inside Outlook. You may see a brief loading screen or a small status message. Allow a moment for the add-in to download and register, so it becomes available in your Outlook toolbar or within your email view. After the add-in is added, you will open an email and then use it through the Apps area and the Zoho CRM option. In other words, go back to your email experience and look for the Zoho CRM item under Apps. Click Zoho CRM from there. This is the moment where the integration starts to appear in your workflow, letting Outlook act as a doorway into your CRM features. At this point, connect your Zoho CRM account. The add-in will prompt you to sign in and establish the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. When you connect your account, you enable the add-in to access the information it needs in Zoho CRM. This connection step is essential, because without it, the integration cannot link your email activity to your CRM environment. After connecting, take a quick moment to confirm that the Zoho CRM connection is successful. You may see a confirmation message, or the interface may update to show that the account is now linked. If anything does not look right, return to the Zoho CRM section in Apps and try again, but only after you have ensured you completed the connection prompt successfully. Now your Zoho CRM add-in should be ready to use from within Outlook. From here, you can keep working with your email normally, while having the Zoho CRM integration available where you need it. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.